Hello, my name is Julia and this is Space Daily News Channel. Virgin Galactic's VSS Unity spaceplane flew into suborbital space with passengers aboard for the first time in nearly 2 years on May 25th, and the company anticipates it will be the last test flight before commercial launches begin. The VMS Eve launch vehicle took off from the runway at Spaceport America in New Mexico. A little more than an hour later, at an altitude of 12 kilometers, the spaceplane separated from the launch vehicle before launching its hybrid rocket engine to ascend to an altitude of 87.2 kilometers above the Earth's surface and reach a top speed of Mach 2.94. The flight, which the company called Unity 25, was the first spaceplane flight with 6 passengers on board since July 2021. Flight 25 was commanded by pilot Mike Masucci and piloted by former NASA astronaut Sturckow. Also aboard VSS Unity were 4 Virgin Galactic employees: Jamila Gilbert, Huey, Mays and Beth Moses. Unlike the previous suborbital flight in 2021, the company did not host media representatives during the launch at Spaceport America and did not provide live coverage of this flight, limited itself to social media. This also differs from the approach of another provider of crewed suborbital launches, Blue Origin, which has webcast all of its crewed New Shepard launches, as well as many of its uncrewed launches. This included New Shepard's most recent launch in September 2022, during which the main engine failed, although that launch was unmanned and the capsule successfully separated and landed by parachute. Blue Origin has temporarily suspended tourist suborbital flights. Virgin Galactic said Unity 25 was the last test before going commercial, and the first commercial flight, dubbed Galactic 01, is scheduled for late June with 3 technicians on a research mission for the Italian Air Force. Space Daily News, like, share and subscribe.